In this video, we are going to be looking at solving simultaneous equations using elimination method. And I think the best way to explain this, as always, is to take an example. A plus 2b equals to 2. A minus 3b equals to minus 1. Now remember, the first thing you want to do is to label the equation 2. Now we are going to take this step by step. Now this first example is what you do when you have a variable in equation 1 and equation 2 with equal coefficients. Now if you look at this, what's the coefficient of a1? What's the coefficient of a1? So the coefficients are the same. Now this is the simplest type of equation under elimination. Now the next thing I want you to notice is that they are both of the same sign. So this is plus 1 and plus 1. So if the variables are of the same sign and they have equal coefficients, all you need to do is just to subtract the equation. You are saying either equation 2 minus equation 1 or equation 1 minus equation 2. So if they are of the same sign, you subtract. If they are of different sign, you add. So we are going to take an example where they are of different sign. But if they are of the same sign, you subtract. Now let's do this so you understand very well what I mean. So let's solve this equation. Remember, they are of the same sign, so we can subtract. Now if we subtract, we'll be having a minus a, which is 0. So a cancels a minus a is 0. Can you see? That's why we are subtracting, so that we can eliminate one variable. Now this would be plus 2b minus 3b. Do you understand that? Plus 2b, so you can write it somewhere. Plus 2b, then we have minus, then we have another minus, so we have to put it in bracket 3b. Now this will be 2b minus times minus is plus, so 2b plus 3b. Remember, 2b is the same thing as plus 2b. So we have 5b equals to, so here we have 2 minus 1. So remember, just do it somewhere rough. So we have 2 minus, then we have minus 1. So this will be 2 minus times minus is plus, so 2 plus 1. That will give us 3. So 5b equals 3. To find b, you divide both sides by 5. So we have 5 here 1, 5 here 1. We are left with b. So b equals 3 over 5. Do you understand? Now to find a, you put b as 3 over 5 in either equation 1 or equation 2. So let's do that. Put b equals to 3 over 5 in equation, let's say 1. And remember, I told you after writing that you have to put the equation first, or write the equation first. So the equation is a plus 2b equals to 2. So anywhere we see b, we call it 3 over 5. Let's solve the remaining here. So I'll be having a plus 2 into bracket 3 over 5 equals 2. A plus, bracket means times, so 2 times 3 is 6. So I have 6 over 5 equals 2. Now I collect like terms. Number, we have to go and meet number. So a equals to 2. When 6 over 5 crosses the equal to sign, it becomes minus 6 over 5. Now we find the LCM. A equals, LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. So we have a equals to 10 minus 6 all over 5. Let me rub up somewhere here so we complete it. So it means that we have a equals to 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 all over 5. Which implies that a equals to 4 over 5, comma b equals 3 over 5. Do you understand this?